HACKIDEATRICK में आपका स्वागत है. Let's get started with Speedy HIT number 12. Are you guys addicted to tea, but cleaning tea utensil looks tough? For that, you can try replacing your tea utensil with glass carafe, which could be used in direct flames. Whether you are any hot beverages lover, this is a good option. Unlike any utensil, you could keep it in direct flame to prepare tea or coffee or any beverage. To prepare tea, add water, milk, tea leaves and sugar in it, and without much hassle, it will prepare your beverage. For cleaning, you can add some warm water, fill it completely and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can use any sponge and add some dishwashing soap and try to clean it. It won't take that much of time to clean this utensil. It will be easy, but make sure this is made up of a glass, so be careful while washing it.